Our 15 contestants on stage. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our contestants. Now entering are our top 5 contestants. Please give them a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. And I request our other contestants to also join us on stage for a review. It has finally come to the most crucial events of our entire pageant, and this evening is the declaration of the top 3 winners of our pageant tonight. I have the results here with me, and I can't wait to share it with everyone else here. So we have over here standing our top 5 contestants. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause for our contestant number 2, Ms. Baradia Kembroy. And now, our third runner-up, the title goes to our contestant number 9, Miss Himashri Hassan. Congratulations, contestant number 9. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a huge round of applause to our contestant number 9. And now, our top 3. To felicitate our second runner-up, I would like to call on stage our judge, Ms. Gentiran Jamir. Now, our second runner-up is contestant number 4, Miss Brittany Selma. Congratulations, contestant number 4. Ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you our second runner-up, contestant number 4, Ms. Brittany Stongma. Please take a walk up here to celebrate your win. The most important part of our entire pageant, which comes down to our last 2 contestants standing. Who do you think is the winner? Is it contestant number 1 or contestant number 7? Who do you think will be the next Miss Grand Falcon 2024? Please make some noise for our contestant and show them your support. Please, everyone, make some noise. Now, we are just about to find out who is our next Miss Grand Falcon. Now, I will announce the first runner-up. And after the first runner-up, we will have our Miss Grand Falcon. So, our first runner-up is contestant number 7, Haluchi M. Jungtunger, which leaves us with our new Miss Grand Falcon 2024, Miss Bella Kemprai, contestant number 1. To felicitate our first runner-up, I would like to call on stage Miss Chantui Kai. And to felicitate our winner, Miss is Tanuji M. Yung Changar to take her celebratory walk up the aisle.